This Align Right Realty property video is presented by David Willink. Beautifully renovated home on a corner lot in Ormond Beach. Walk to the Halifax River. Modernized updates and renovation from top to bottom, including a roof, flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, doors, room trimming, and fresh paint inside and out. The home features both a one-car carport and a one-car garage, providing ample parking and storage space. Enjoy the convenience of an outdoor sink and bathroom, perfect for cleaning up after gardening or other outdoor activities. The front yard is shaded by a majestic oak tree, making it an ideal spot to relax on the front patio. The fenced backyard provides privacy and space for outdoor gatherings or for pets to roam. Located close to parks, golf courses, and the beach. Short drive to the historic downtown area to enjoy shopping, dining, and cultural attractions. For boating and fishing enthusiasts, the scenic Tomoka River and Halifax River are nearby. This beautifully updated